Boys and girls, today we are going to write addition sentence and multiplication sentences for models. Please read the story for this problem.
3 apples to make 1 apple cake. Each cake has the same number of apples. How many apples does Tamika need to make 4 cakes?
Okay, so in the blue box, the first question asks, how many cakes is Tamika making? What did it say in the word problem? How many is it making? Callie?
4
4 what?
cakes.
Okay, write that down. Make sure you always have labels. How many apples does the story say are supposed to be in each cake? Carter?
3
3 what?
apples.
How can you solve this problem? Think about what we did yesterday. How can we solve this problem?
Skip count by 3.
Skip count by 3. You can do that.
Don't we say skip count by 3s 4 times?
Yeah, sure. Skip count by 3s 4 times. Adding the 4 times is a good idea. Because then you don't want to keep going fast.
Yeah.
More than 4 times. Okay. Now, how you're going to do that is by using the 4 circles as being 4 cakes. And then drawing 3 counters in each circle to show the apples that Tamika needs for each cake. So trace the apples in the first one, and then make the 3 apples in the other ones. Jacob, do it. Okay, now we're going to find the number of counters in all. In all means what?
Altogether.
Which means?
Addition.
Addition. So they're going to show you the addition sentence right now. So you have 3 for the first cake. The 3 apples for the first cake. Then you're going to add another.
3
And another.
3
And another.
3
Which is skip counting by 3s. Let's do it 4 times. We have
3 6 9 12.
So how many in all?
12.
So Tamika needs how many apples?
12.
To make how many cakes?
4.
4 cakes. Alright, go to your next page. Okay, here's another way. Instead of adding or skip counting, you're going to multiply, which is like skip counting kind of, but it's going to show you the way to write multiplication sentences. When you combine equal groups, you can multiply to find how many in all. Okay, so think 4 groups of 3. Once again, I'm going to have you draw all the apples in the cakes. So draw 3 counters in each circle. Okay, here's important. I want you to remember this, an important sentence. Since there are the same number of counters in each circle, you can multiply to find how many in all. If there was a different amount in one of the circles or 2 of the circles, you cannot multiply. The only time you can multiply is if you have the same number in each group, okay? Okay, that's important. Okay, so multiplication is another way to find how many there are all together in equal groups. Now, how many groups were there, guys? 4. 4 is your first factor. Instead of calling them add-ins like you do in addition, it's a factor this time, okay? Then, how many apples did you put in each cake? 3. 3 is your next factor, your second factor, okay? So you have 4 groups, you have 3 in each group, and that equals how many altogether? How many apples altogether? 12. 12 is your product. A product is the answer to a multiplication sentence. What is a product?
An answer to a multiplication
Sentence. Yes. Okay, so you're going to read it like this. 4 times 3. This multiplication sign is called times. Okay? 4 times 3 equals 12. The factors are the numbers that are being multiplied. The product is the answer. Okay, now we're going to do show and share.